My name is Victoria, and this is my mom Munia, and we're gonna make a gun that my mom usually makes.
When I was little?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When she was little.
And we're going to make this down pizza.
Yeah, and you need an adult to do this because
Yeah.
this is really dangerous. I tried to do it and now I need a plaster.
Oh, right, yeah. So we need adult to do it. Okay?
Yeah.
See you. So we remove the banana leaf.
Yeah, and
Wrong
you might
there.
see that as a cheddar we done for a
I don't know
course.
that's called. We call it plopak back
Plopak.
home. So we cut it. And then twist it like this, like that, and like that, and like that. So when we apply it,
Then it'll go out. When you
And-
play.
apply it and go. And whoa, like that. That was so fun. We used to call a perang-perangan in Indonesia.
And in English it's called a
Whoa. And we go like, you! Run! Like that.